And is it allowed? التشريك بين نية صوم القضاء, to combine between the intention of bringing back fasting of Ramadan with Ashura. So I have some days of Ramadan that are outstanding. What I say is I'm going to fast these 3 days, the 9th, the 10th and the 11th. But I'll also come with the intention of not only Ashura but Ramadan as well. So I'm going to combine between the two intentions. Am I allowed to do that? Am I allowed to do that? And this, what we say, brothers and sisters, is a محل خلاف بين العلماء. This issue, there is a dispute, an argumentation, a differences between the scholars in this issue. And there are different opinions. The first view says that it's not allowed. Okay? Even if the person intends to do both of them together. And this is the madhab al-a'imah al-arba'ah. Because they say, their argument is لأن كل منهما مقصود لذاته. Both of them, Ashura and Ramadan, are both intended by the Sharia. The Sharia wants each once. Yani, this one the Sharia wants it as a recommended act, and this one the Sharia wants it as an obligatory act. So both of them are intended maqsood lidatihi. And so they say that the ibadah which is maqsood lidatihi, it has to be separated from the other. They are ibadatani mustaqillatani. There are two ibadah which are independent from one another. So, يعني التشريك بينه وبينه is not allowed. They don't permit that. That's the first view. The second view, they say it is allowed. يعني يصح التشريك في نية. They say it is permissible to bring those two intentions together, and this is the qawl of madahib al-a'immat al-arba'ah. Okay, the madahib al-a'immat al-arba'ah. Okay. And it's the ikhtiyar of the great Imam who recently passed away a few years back, Al-Imam Ibn Baz rahimahullah, Shaykh Ibn Uthaymin. Brothers and sisters, I want to say that, inshallah ta'ala, that which my heart sets with is the first view, that a person should avoid combining between those two intentions and separate them.